So, Jim ordered this heavy duty 3-foot outdoor extension cord for our pond equipment, and it has been such a smart little upgrade because the one we were using before honestly wasn't meant for the outdoor weather and it kept tripping on us. This one is a 12 gauge contractor grade cord, so it's built for real outdoor use rain, snow, freezing temps, the whole Midwest February situation. And I love that it has 3 grounded outlets, so we can plug in multiple things at once without doing a bunch of adapters. Plus, the lighted end lets you know right away if you've got power or not. For us, that matters because our pond setup needs to stay consistent, especially in winter. Between the aeration and the heaters, we're keeping our koi safe and comfortable and don't want to be guessing if there's something that shut off overnight. This cord feels sturdy, it stays flexible even in the cold, and it's made to handle up to 15 amps. If you need a short outdoor rated cord for pond equipment, outdoor decor, or garage tools, this one is a solid pick. As an Amazon influencer, I share products I genuinely use and recommend. I may earn a small commission. It never costs you more. Thank you so much for supporting my work.